Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add WhatsApp chat button in Elementor. Right now, as you can see, I'm editing a web page of my website using Elementor, and I have created a section, and now I'm going to add button widget in that particular section. And for adding the button widget, you just need to click on the plus icon present in the black header line on the top. So we have clicked on that, and in the left side toolbar you can simply search for button widget and can then simply drag and drop this button widget into the section or container. Now to edit this button, you just need to move your cursor over the button, and you will see a pen icon in the top right corner. You need to click on that, and in the left side toolbar there are three kinds of settings available. The first one is content, second one is style, and the third one is advanced. So in the content setting, you can change the text to like chat on WhatsApp from click here, right? So I have simply typed chat on WhatsApp, and in the icon you can simply select the icon library button, and here you can simply search for WhatsApp icon. Okay, so I have selected that and clicked on insert, and here in the link you can simply type the WhatsApp chat URL of your number. If you don't know what is the WhatsApp chat URL number, WhatsApp chat URL of your number, then let me tell you the generalized format. You just need to type the https://wa.me/your mobile number. Okay, here I have typed my mobile number, so this is my WhatsApp chat URL, right? So in the same manner you can simply create yours. Now coming to the style settings, here you can simply go to the color settings, and here in the color palette you can change the color of this button. Okay, so this is how you can simply add WhatsApp chat button in Elementor. Apart from that, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.